That is one ugly-ass bird.
Dear Billy, this place is hell.
Come on! Get up!
Hey, Billy. Sometimes life just punch you in the balls.
Nobody move. Easy. Let's go.
What?
Put it down.
How I tricked my brain to like doing hard things, dopamine detox. In our modern, hyper-stimulating world, many of us find ourselves trapped in a paradox. We can easily spend hours scrolling through social media or playing video games, but struggle to focus on important tasks like studying or working on personal projects for even 30 minutes. This discrepancy isn't just about willpower or laziness, it's deeply rooted in our brain's reward system, specifically in how we process dopamine. Understanding and manipulating this system through a process called dopamine detox can be the key to unlocking motivation for challenging tasks. Let's dive into how I tricked my brain to like doing hard things. Understanding dopamine, the motivation molecule. Contrary to popular belief, dopamine isn't just about pleasure. It's primarily responsible for motivation, desire, and the anticipation of rewards. This neurotransmitter plays a crucial role in driving our behaviors and priorities. The science of dopamine. To understand the power of dopamine, consider these fascinating experiments conducted on rats. When researchers stimulated the dopamine system in rats' brains, the animals became obsessed with pressing a lever, foregoing food and sleep to the point of exhaustion. Conversely, when dopamine was blocked, the rats became so lethargic they wouldn't even make the effort to eat or drink, despite enjoying food placed directly in their mouths. These experiments highlight dopamine's role not in pleasure itself, but in the motivation to seek pleasure or avoid discomfort. The modern dopamine problem. In today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with high dopamine stimuli. Social media notifications. Addictive video games. Streaming services with endless content. Easy access to junk food. Internet pornography. These activities flood our brains with unnaturally high levels of dopamine, leading to two significant problems. Dopamine tolerance. Just as with drugs, our brains adapt to high dopamine levels, requiring more stimulation to achieve the same effect. Devaluation of low dopamine activities. Important but less immediately rewarding tasks, like studying or exercising, become increasingly unappealing in comparison. The concept of dopamine detox. A dopamine detox is a period of abstaining from high-stimulation activities to reset our brain's reward system. The goal is to make everyday activities more appealing and to increase motivation for challenging tasks. How to perform a dopamine detox. Full detox, extreme version. For one full day. Avoid all technology, phones, computers, TV. No internet usage. No music. No junk food. No sexual activities. Allowed activities. Walking. Meditation. Journaling, on paper. Reflecting on life goals. This extreme version can yield rapid results but may be challenging for many. Moderate detox, weekly practice. Choose one high dopamine activity to abstain from for one day each week. This could be social media, video games, binge watching TV, junk food.